Bring some colour to your kitchen with this M&S Thai Green Salmon Noodle bowl. Add 2 skin-on salmon fillets cut into 3 equal pieces to a bowl with a tablespoon of M&S green curry paste. Season with salt and pepper, mix well and leave to marinate for 15 minutes. Pop the kettle on, then soak 2 nests of M&S rice noodles for 2 minutes until tender. Drain the hot water and replace it with iced water. In a small pan of salted boiling water, simmer 125 grams of M&S asparagus tips and 100 grams of mange 2 for no more than a minute. Transfer the veg to a bowl of iced water to let it cool. Then drain and set aside. Next, add a tablespoon of olive oil to a small saucepan over high heat. Add 3 more tablespoons of curry paste and stir gently for 1 to 2 minutes. Add a 400-gram can of coconut milk and 250 millilitres of water and bring to a simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Add a heaped teaspoon of sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and the juice of a lime before seasoning to taste with salt and pepper. Add a tablespoon of olive oil to a small frying pan over a medium heat. Place the salmon into the pan skin side down and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the salmon skin is crispy. Turn over each piece and cook for 1 to 2 more minutes. Place your drained noodles in a bowl and ladle over the curry. Top with your salmon and vegetables, then garnish with some lime wedges and sliced red chilli to serve. It's a vibrant and tasty bowl that can brighten up any day of the week. I've got loads more recipes using the best of British produce from M&S. Click the link for some seasonal inspiration.